Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on Facebook if you have error with logging in on your iPhone. So how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check is to check your internet connection. So just swipe here, try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. So if you also have mobile data, so just go to the settings, and in the settings just try to use mobile data. So just turn it on and just turn off Wi-Fi, so just use mobile data and try to log in again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just swipe again and just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So, and if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another thing. Just go to the settings, just open general, and in the general you need to find reset, and in the reset you need to find reset network settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to just choose your Facebook app, just move it from left to right, and just try to tap on minus button here and just try to delete app, and after just download it and install again from App Store. So here you can see App Store, so just open App Store and just download it and install again on your phone. So this is the way how you can fix your error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.